Hey guys, Jet Tila.
And Ali Tila.
And we're here at Sur La Table making one of our favorite fall family meals, a Farro Risotto with butternut squash and kale chips.
And you can find this recipe on the Breville Plus app.
Let's show you how to do it. So this is truly an ancient grain. A lot of wheat actually comes from farro. It takes a minute to cook, so we're gonna give it a jump start by submerging it in boiling water. Ali, do you want to start making kale chips?
Yes, we're gonna be using some dinosaur kale today, so it's a little bit larger, thicker leaf.
Let's do a little olive oil.
A little salt.
Ali, do you mind grabbing the basket out of the Breville?
You bet. And I'm also gonna preheat this while I'm back here to 350. And the basket's perfect because it's gonna allow the air to circulate around your kale and really make it crispy. It looks perfect. It should be dry, crispy, and it should be browning on the edges.
If you've never roasted kale before, it's gonna look a little wet initially, but after like 30 seconds, look, it's already crispy. Listen. Yes, kale. Okay, I know, you're crispy, we got it. All right, it's time for butternut squash. Same process. Olive oil, salt, and pepper. Sheet pan lined with a silpat. In 30 minutes, it's gonna be perfectly roasted squash, ready for risotto. Speaking of risotto, Ali, do you wanna start with butter and olive oil?
Yep.
And I'm gonna show our friends how to cut some shallots. I take the top and I take a little bit off the root. I'm gonna go in 1/8 inch high, not all the way through. I'm gonna keep it connected by that root side. So I'm doing some fresh oregano. We're just getting a slight browning, which is getting really nutty and delicious. Drain that farro. Ali's gonna saute that up for about 2 minutes. All right, it's time to deglaze. So once that wine is almost totally evaporated, we're gonna throw our stock in, bring the stock up to a full rolling boil, and we're gonna just let the grains absorb all that deliciousness. Look, the oven is so dope. At 10 seconds, it lights back up to tell you it's almost time. And now here we go.
I love it.
Precision engineering. That's exactly what I'm looking for, right there.
All right, we are at a rolling boil. I'm gonna turn it down to a simmer. I'm gonna cover it, and then we're gonna cook it down for about 45 minutes. All right, let's check our farro.
Ooh, look at that. All right, Ali, you want to grate some cheese and I'll do lemon? Thank you very much. That looks fantastic. Be very gentle with the squash. It's about folding it in and not smashing it. There it is.
Beautiful. It's the best part. We get to eat it.
That looks amazing.
Right?
Little garnish action, Ali. I like that.
I want all the cheese.
Seriously. A little more acid right off the top. And there you have it, friends, a farro risotto with butternut squash and kale chips. Pretty special to me because Sur La Table is kind of where our romance began, and we get to cook it for you. Shall we, Ali? Yeah. Cheers, my love. So good.
It was so fun cooking with you guys today.
Yeah, thanks so much. And to check this recipe out and to cook it in your home, go to the Breville Plus app. Tila's Sur La Table, Breville, signing off. We'll see you later.
Cheers.